In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove admin accountant access in Xero. If you're tightening up access for security, offboarding a contractor, or simply cleaning up old accounts, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go in Xero and what to expect along the way. Before we begin, make sure you're working in the correct Xero organization and that your login has permission to manage users. If you don't have the right level of access, you'll need an organization owner or admin to complete this process. Start by opening Xero. Once you're in the organization where the change needs to happen, look toward the top of the screen for the company menu. Depending on your layout, this may display your organization's name or a company icon. Open that menu to reveal your organization level options. From there, choose Settings. This area is where you manage key preferences for the organization, including users and permissions. The interface can vary slightly based on updates, but you should see a Users option within Settings. Go ahead and open Users. You'll now see a list of people who currently have access to this organization. Find the accountant or admin whose access you want to remove. It helps to scan by name or email and double-check you've selected the right person, especially if you have a long list. Open their user details to view their current role and permissions. Here, select the option to remove their access from this organization, or specifically remove their admin accountant permissions if that's what's applied. Xero will prompt you to confirm the change so you don't remove access by mistake. When the confirmation message appears, read it carefully and complete the confirmation. Once confirmed, the change takes effect immediately. The person will lose access to this organization, and any admin-level privileges they had are revoked. If they were connected through any third-party integrations that rely on their Xero access, those connections will stop working for that user as well. A quick tip: if the user still needs limited access for a different purpose, consider adjusting their permissions instead of fully removing them. And if this change is part of offboarding, make sure any in-progress tasks, bank recs, or reports they managed are reassigned to someone else before you finalize the removal. To wrap up, return to the user's list and refresh. You should see that the user no longer has admin accountant access, or no longer appears if you remove them entirely. That's it. You've successfully removed admin accountant access in Xero, keeping your organization secure and up to date.